Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Here x raised minus 2 minus 10 is equal to 3x raised minus 1. Challenge for you students. X raised minus 2 minus 10 is equal to 3x raised minus 1. Now we let x raised minus 1. Let x raised minus 1 is equal to t. By squaring both sides, x raised minus 1 square is equal to t square. Now we put x raised minus 2 is equal to t square. Putting these values in the equation, t square minus 10 is equal to 3t. Now we standardize the equation. T square minus 3t minus 10 is equal to 0. Now we factorize minus 10, 5 to the 10, t square minus 5t minus 5t plus 2t plus 2t minus 10 is equal to 0. Now taking common t into t minus 5 here, and next we take 2 common, 2 into t minus 2 5 the 10 minus 5 into is equal to 0. Now we take common t minus 5 here, t minus 5 into t plus 2. T plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we put these factors both equal to 0. Here t minus 5 is equal to 0 and t plus 2 also equal to 0. Now we find the values of t minus 5 on other sides is equal to plus 5. So t is equal to 5 and t plus 2 is equal to 0 and 2 on other sides. Here t is equal to minus 2. Now we know that t is equal to x raised minus 1. Put here t is equal to x raised minus 1 is equal to 5. Now we positive the power here, 1 over x raised 1 is equal to x and 1 over x is equal to 5. Here t equal to x raised minus 1 and on right side it is equal to minus 2. Now we make the power positive, 1 over x is equal to minus 2. Now we cross them, x multiplied with 5. So 5x is equal to 1. x will multiply with 5 on right side. Here x will multiply with -2, so minus 2x is equal to 1. Now we find the values of x in both the equations. Here in first, x is equal to 1 and 5 will divide on the right side. Multiply on the left and divide on the right side. So x is equal to 1 over 5. And first we change minus from left to right. So 2x is equal to minus 1. And now 2 is multiplying on left side, will divide on the right. So here x is equal to minus 1 over 2. So we can find out the values of x. First is 1 over 5 and second is minus 1 over 2. So here our solution set of the equation x raised solution set of the equation x raised minus 2 minus 10 is equal to 3. X raised minus 1 is given as. Now we write the solution here, that is 1 over 5 and minus 1 over 2. Students, it is the correct solution of the given equation x raised minus 2 minus 10 is equal to 3 x raised minus 1. Now the real challenge is here now. Solve the equation given as 2 raised minus x minus 10 is equal to 3 dot 1 raised minus x. Now x raised minus 2 minus 10 is equal to 3x raised minus 1. Now we reverse the base and exponent. Exponent as base and base as exponent. 2 raised minus x minus 10 is equal to 3 dot 1 raised minus x. Now we solve it. So we make the power positive as 1 over 2 raised x minus 10 as it is equal to 3 over 1 raised x. Now on left side we take the LCM, that is 2 raised x. Now on left side we take the LCM 2 raised x and here is 1. Now 2 raised x will multiply with 10. So 10 dot 2 raised x is equal to 3 over 1, because 1 raised x is equal to 1. Any power of 1 gives 1. Now we cross multiply. 1 multiplied on left side, same 1 minus 10 dot 2 raised x as it is, and in over 2 raised x will multiply on right side with 3. So 3 dot 2 raised x. Here now we standardize the equation and put minus 10 dot 2 raised x to the other side. Here 1 is equal to 3 dot 2 raised x plus 10 dot 2 raised x. Now in standard form 3 dot on the left side 3 dot 2 raised x plus 10 dot 10 dot 2 raise x is equal to 1. It is in the standard form. Now on the left side we take 2 raise x as common member. Here 2 raise x common, here is 3 plus 10. That is equal to 1. Now add 3 and 10, so 2 raise x into 3 plus 10, 13 is equal to 1. Now 13 is multiplying on left, will divide on right, so 2 raise x is equal to 1 over 13. Students, 2 raise x is equal to 1 over 13. And now we take logarithm on both sides. Log of 2 raise x is equal to log of 1 over 13. Now by applying the logarithm laws, x in start, x log to third law of logarithm, and in right second law of logarithm, log 1 minus log 13. Log 13. Now with the help of calculator, x is at it is, and log of 2 is equal to 0.3010, and on right side log 1 is equal to 0 and minus log 13 is equal to 1.1139. Now 0.3010 is multiplying on left side, it will divide on right side, so minus 1.1139 over 0.3010. Now with the help of calculator we divide it, and here the value of x is equal to minus 3.7, and it is the correct answer, dear students. We see you with the next lecture. Allah Hafiz. Good luck.